as a long-term customer and patron of Hollenshades Auto Service, what would you feel is one of the strongest offerings that Hollenshades provides?
Well, they're like embedded in the neighborhood. They've been here for 70 years. I moved into the neighborhood 35, 36 years ago. We started coming here, and I tell you what, your grandfather Ray was just the nicest guy. A lot of people don't understand how great a guy he was, because he's sometimes like grumpy.
He was short sometimes.
Yeah, short, but he had a really, really wry sense of humor. I used to sit in that office and listen to him.
He was a straight shooter, right?
Oh yeah, he'd tell you the truth. He'd tell you if there was something wrong with your car, if you should get it fixed, if you didn't need to get it fixed.
And you nailed a really big one that kind of I see on the internet a lot, because we kind of every once in a while check in, and we don't hesitate to let people know when something's not worth being repaired.
It's
Have we done that to you at any point in time?
Your dad and his brother are the same way with me.
Okay.
One time I came in to get a part, right? I was ready to pay, and they have now it's computerized. Everything's computerized. They looked on the computer and said, "We put that part in 6 months ago. You don't have to pay for that." And my wife, she has a flat tire. She goes, "Oh, now they come out and they plug the tire, and I don't have to worry about it. We're in good hands from here. We fast, courteous, kind, you name it.
You know the job's going to be done right to the best of our abilities.
Oh, absolutely. I would not go anywhere else. I honestly would not go anywhere else. My son comes in here, my daughter comes in here, my brother-in-law comes in here, and
consistent service.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
And there's people who have been working here for years that I recognize from 20, 30 years ago.
And that helps us provide the consistency and quality of service we do, that we have a long-term veteran staff of guys that are consistent, that have been doing this is their life's calling. They take extreme pride. I think that's the one thing I've taken away from now working here 4 years of working under my dad and Uncle Tim and Tom, is the extreme pride in their profession. It's kind of like what would you say, an unsung hero, or there's no real auto repair. We understand nobody wants to kind of have us service them on any given day other than scheduled maintenance. Nobody wants their car to break down. It's a stressful experience and things like that, but we're always happy to be here for people in their time of need.
And if you're stressed out, you could go in and talk to John. I mean, what comedy club is he at for the weekends?
Job requirements in our office are more comedian than they are car repair professional. We leave the professional car repair to the back and the entertainment to the front of the house.
Oh, he hits it. He nails that description, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's definitely something I took away after the 4 years I've been here so far, is just extreme pride in our profession, doing it absolutely to the best of the ability that we can do every day. And if a day ever catches us, or a certain job with these cars getting more technologically complex and things like that, if we ever really get our butt kicked by a certain job, we look into why it happened to make sure that it doesn't happen again.
It's got to be